Okay, so what are the sort of things that are opportunities for lack of reliability? Poor balance, wrong fits and tolerances, wrong tension in fasteners, shafts that aren't aligned or shafts that are loaded up and stressed, rubbish in our lubrication. These are all opportunities for things to go wrong. It doesn't mean because they are there it will go wrong. It just means whether they are there, there's a chance it'll happen. If there was no problems with fastening, if my shafts were correctly in line, if there was no contamination, then the opportunities would not be there. The chance of failure, much, much less. So if I can manage contamination and prevent it, manage alignment and ensure it's correct, get the right fastening, get the right correct fits and tolerances, get the correct balance, I will cause reliability. I will decrease the chance of failure. So now we have our risk equation. Risk is typically consequence times chance is what most people see it in the books. This is a situation that Einstein warned us about. One of his advices was to make things as simple as possible, but no simpler. And I think the mistake we've made with risk is we've made it so simple we've actually missed the real meaning of what risk is, because this equation here has dropped off one factor in risk. The full equation of risk is consequence times the frequency of opportunity times the chance of failure at each opportunity. What this equation has done is dropped off this opportunity word. It doesn't show us there are actually three factors that affect risk. And this chance of failure is actually 1 minus reliability. There it is, chance of failure, 1 minus reliability. So I have now tied reliability back to risk. High reliability and this risk of failure is reduced. If my risk of failure is high, my reliability is going to be low. So if I can manage opportunity and prevent that by everything being right, then as a consequence, opportunity gets smaller and smaller. If I can ensure reliability by making the right choices, by installing things correctly, by running things correctly, then these two factors can't work together and the risk of failure drops lower and lower and lower. And that risk of failure falling means my uptime increases, my throughput increases, my costs are reduced, all the things we want to see happen. So yeah, that's why I'm confident. It's not going to be impossible to get these outcomes because all of these are controllable. Once I set the standards that deliver high reliability and meet those standards every single time, then I will produce those results.